Some people, they mix up with Twy and Drae TV. You reach a level where you come in like say boy, you don't know who right from who wrong, or who tell the truth or who tell the lie, because other people get involved in it and people are deny certain things, and you know what I mean? It's like you don't know who to believe. So how me get for know about that mix up here? It's like me depend I watch a live and me I skip past TJ live and stop on TJ live look at it and hear Drae TV. I talk to TJ, so I say I want to go on here. So Drae TV start tell TJ about him woman and Twy and the bag of things that go on. Zin. So that pass me not really follow Drae TV. No, me not follow Twy. Me follow Nicky and Klein though. And me know what else me follow from that camp there. But yeah, I don't think me follow King either. But me see a next live after me watch the one with Drae TV where me talk about Twy. Me see a next live with Twy and King. And them a talk about the situation where Drae accused Twy, say Twy did a look him woman. Twy did a clear up him name and say nothing like that, him never did a look the woman, him just did a talk. And then Drae, because a Drae did a text him, now him know say a Drae did a text him because him did think of the woman I think. Me never catch the full live, you know what I mean, a piece of it me say. But him a say, you know what I mean, like at the argument them where him a get, him a respond back to. And he never reach no eating cat part. You know what I mean? Him never did a say boy him a go eat no cat. Something like that. But here we go on now, people. King say, cause King drop a big bombshell, you know. King say, Drae TV I try to expose Twy, say Twy I do this and Twy I do that. When a Drae TV I do them type of thing there. Because him and Drae TV in a one room and the two of them a eat them woman. You see me I say? Drae over one side do the thing to him woman. King Forever Years the other one side I do the thing to Sashay. You see me I say? And King Forever Years say if anybody think a lie, them can ask the youth when name Jabass. Now Jabass is a man now, you know, people. We openly say him eat the cat, you know. You see me I say? And King is a man who openly say him eat the cat. You see me I say? But all of them used to par. You know what I mean? Drae TV, King Forever Years, Twy, and Jabass, them used to par. Because you know the whole of them do the same thing one at a time. You see it? So, no people bling our keep our live and Jabass come on the live and reveal something. So, I'm not going to tell you anything. We just go watch the live. So, I could hear what Jabass say. So I know Miss Bling keep her court case on them, something there or whatnot. So these are the two persons we say them did I represent. One I represent King and one I represent Drae TV, and then Drae TV enter the live. So I could hear what them I say first until Drae TV enter the live.
Cause vibration representing for Drae TV.
Are you related to Drae in any way?
No, I'm not, but I've seen them.
So you know about the
I've seen
situation
them.
between Drae and King and everybody?
Yes, I've seen them around. I've heard of them and everything. Yes, like seen them before. Hear
Okay.
the whole situation.
One Kim.
All right.
I have never met this person. I was just following up with information and words that come directly from his mouth because I was actually on his live also to get more information today. So
On whose live?
Andre's live.
Okay, so what can you tell the court about what King Forever said?
Okay, so the information that I understood, first of all, listening to this, and I want you guys to understand, this is a plot against Drae, reason being because of opportunity reasons. And the fact is that he's not debating about what had happened, but to whom it happened with. The fact that he thought that this person was a friend, that's the whole issue, and persons is not getting it. That's the whole point. He's not stopping persons from being in the female's inbox or wanting to get to know this person. The point that he's trying to bring across, he's not expecting that from a friend. And from King's point of view, he has been buried and he's looking to be resurrected. He's looking to be resurrected. Okay, so you find where anything that has to do with bringing down somebody, he's going to be all for that. I'm not going to debate on the fact, Your Honor, about the issue that took place in the bedroom.
Yes.
But what is this called for now? It's a plot. It's a grouping up against a person that seems as if he has no voice. But to say we are his voice, Your Honor.
Is there anybody who would like to speak on King's behalf? Send your requests and come on up and speak on King's behalf with these lawyers. These two lawyers are representing Drae. We are fair. We are not unfair. So I don't want nobody come and say why King don't have a lawyer. All y'all, I know some of y'all support King. So you people come up and in King's defense. Now, Miss Chloe, what do you have to say about this?
I do agree with my partner with the whole plotting thing, especially in the bedroom. All right, I don't care what happened in there, but why wasn't it mentioned before all of this came up? Because really and truly, like I've said, I've seen these persons before. I'm very observant. I'm in Mandeville. I'm from Mandeville, born and grown in Mandeville. I'm very observant. I've drive past several times and see them at them one another apartment, so I know the link was strong. I realized that King and Drae, like the friendship kind of got distant, like a
Give me
long
one
time.
second.
Yeah, it's
Give me 1 second. People in the court, we are requesting Jabass or Chabas. We not sure who King said, but some Jabass was there, and we have to hear Jabass side. Please to tag him. Continue.
I haven't seen them together like for a very long time, so I know that there was some issue there, right? However, when this incident came up between him and Twy, I don't see why was it necessary for King to like jump on Twy's side, and like whatever issue where him and Drae have, they should have issued it out before, because I've known of them from day one. Like Drae said, he's the one who brought King from Westmoreland, which I've seen because I've seen them around. I've seen them at the supermarket. I've seen them at the dentist. I've passed their apartment going home, and I've seen them together.
No, man, this is somebody close to them, man. Cause this person, you see them all both. You see me? Oh, you see them so much. Man, you a stalker, you know. You see it. But people, Jano, it mess up our friends. Our friendship can just mash up, so. You see me? Boy, I don't know who to believe as me say people. But it look like say everybody I take who for side them rate the most, you know. I saw it look like to me. You see me?
See them a bar, me see them a barber shop, so I know of this. So now I'm trying to say like what's the issue? And Drae is my client, and yes, I would really want to know what causes the issue between him and King before this, that King would have really team up with Twy and be against him. I've seen them together.
So basically, what you guys are saying, you guys are just saying that King Forever just want to come and create mischief. That's what you guys are saying?
Yes, and this is some issue before because, like I've
Yes,
said,
it
I've
is.
seen them, but I know that there was some falling out between King and Drae TV. I don't know what it is, but I think that my client is also holding back the real issue that they have. So, all right, then, King, a team up with Twy. Let's start the real issue. What happened between you and I? Why you choose to come out and gang up on me?
And side and take side. You're on a permission to speak
Exactly.
also.
Yes.
I was on his live today and I made a comment. I said to him, and I quote, that females will only mention about the persons that they don't have feelings for.
True, true,
Right? He
true, true.
mentioned to me in his own words, he said, I wanted to understand what the issue is. It's not what was mentioned from the person's mouth, but whom it came from. First of all, he was not debating on the fact that he wanted to fly in to have that oral. That wasn't the issue. Why is it that they continue to use that as in he's saying that he's against the fact that he wanted to do that? It's not that, that's not the issue. The issue is the person that he had expected to be his friend is coming from that person's mouth. But if you listen, Your Honor, to the debate, it's about oral, if I may say, it's about oral sex continually. Who is eating who? That's not the issue that Drae is having, and they're not getting it. And not only that, they know that he's the type of person. My client is not the type of person that I would say that is outspoken. He's calm and can be a bit emotional if you guys would have observed. So teaming up against him, they're assuming that he doesn't have a voice. That's the whole issue. But he does have a voice. He have representatives that he's here to represent him.
Thank you. Well said. Miss Diva.
This look one-sided to me. I think Miss Blinger should have started the thing yet until somebody come to represent King. You see me? Because it one-sided. You understand what I say? As me I said before, people, me don't know who to believe. Cause this side I tell a story, the next side I tell a story. Me don't know who to believe. But me want to no listen. I want to tell me who to think I tell the truth or who I tell the lie.
Okay, I am not representing King, but I would like to play the devil advocate a little bit. King has said that he's not defending Drae, but he said he finds Drae to be a hypocrite
Because him name the front and then him a say I'm next him a burn out the next man. Alright, people, let me talk about that a little bit more.
because he hates to see someone who he knows eat pum pum and come out and talk about somebody else eating. So basically he's saying he don't like somebody who know they do something too, but then make a big deal out of it, which is a fair comment, because if I know somebody who do the same thing as me and they're being discriminative against others, then I would say the same thing.
But we have a problem because we never heard King come out and bash Drae this way before. Now King just came out due to the argument with Twy and Drae and now talking. So
Well, probably, okay, even if they're not friends anymore.
The sound in the background and mess up the things still, people. You see me? Alright, hear me I say, you see pan them, burning out the man them with a yam front thing and remember say a Jamaica this, You see me? Only some man come and say, yo, you know what? Me name the front or whatever. You see it? Cause from your name the front you have to go leg a certain company. You see it? Man now go and deal with you worse if you smoke or drink with them. Them now go and they near you when you had them something there. But here all Jamaicans still, if a top man name the Pums, them we drink with that top man there, You see me I say? And smoke with that top man there, But if a man pan film level, name the Pums, them know and nothing to do with it, them burn him out, them deal with him away. Jamaica have a double standard culture. You see me I say? Me not say if you name the Pums, although a man to each his own, you understand? But you know how it going in Jamaica. If a man know say a next man name Pums, him a own him out straight. You know what I mean? I saw it going in Jamaica, so me no wrong Drae if him name the Pums, if he say him no name it, you know what I mean? And burn out the next man. Play a hypocrite role.
He didn't say anything at the time. It is normal for him not to say anything because, I mean, if we
Yes, good afternoon, Drae.
Alright.
Everybody, this is Drae TV
Good
right
afternoon.
here.
Good afternoon. Now watch you know, cause here what now, me never plan for Ray. But listen what me I say now. You see, me can't put my life on. You see what King I say a lie tell, God kill me. And then he end the idea again. Me not even talk about what he must say. You see, he make a point about eating front. You know so that never die topic? The whole point never die circulate after who eat
Your
front or
Honor,
who don't eat front.
Drae have no reason to speak because you are his representative.
I
There's
even
no
fi
need
speak,
for
I
you,
don't know,
sir, to explain nothing. That's why we are here.
It feel like a real
Objection.
court case.
Objection.
Woman tapping
Let
eyes with the
us
man
hear
chat.
from him if he wants to clear up something.
Okay,
Sorry,
Your Honor.
never leave.
No, you can continue, Mr. Drae.
No, because me I say them a make a situation about a situation we never about because this wasn't about a situation of who eat front or who don't eat front. You understand me? The life, me can put my life on it. When you say a lie, me know what that fact. You understand? What him a say when him get involved, I said thing when Umbre and Umbre in an argument, you hear him pick up side and this Umbre which the one argument we don't concern him. You see when something don't concern you, you just leave it alone.
Drae, I would like to ask you a few questions.
Alright.
Were you and King, or have you and King ever been in the same room together or a room crossway from each other?
Miss Blinger, I can't put my life on him. Me and King never in I said room with one woman yet. And you see, alright, realize in a life in call one youth name, you know?
Yes, Jabass. What is he saying? Is it Jabass or Trabass? Who is it?
Jabass.
What does Jabass have to do with this, Mr.
Me don't know,
Joe?
he said Jabass was there, so me wonder if Jabass did there watch me and him my front. So me I say, because me might say film woman skin out this and film woman skin out this and wear Ray. But obvious thing I lie. Me put my life on your life.
All right, Drae, we want to ask you, have you and any woman that you've been with and King woman, were there any friends, like have you ever, what I'm basically asking if you guys ever date two friends?
No, we never did two friends before. Remember say him there with film woman long time, you know. So me and him never did two friends yet. Blinger, I'm sure this that. Him a talk, but making talk is facts. Say yo. Right, you see if him a talk something, we are reality, me not no problem with him. But him know for a fact the way him a say.
All right. Have you, Drae, and Jabass ever been out before?
Like me and Jabass a nigga.
Have you, Jabass,
See, Jabass
and King
join, you
ever
know.
been out before where you guys get a room with other people?
Yo, even Miss Blinger.
Evening, Jabass.
How want me do?
Do you know of Drae or have you ever watched Drae eat a girl vagina before?
Brother, I don't know nothing what they're talking about. I have never been in any room with nobody watching nobody them in a pussy. I don't know nothing what them are talk about, and I don't want them to mix up my name. Over here do me thing, Miss Bling, I have jive me. I come from up here and one bag of people and share life to me. I don't know
Jabass, do you
what
mind?
them are talk about. King, I don't know nothing what you talk about, brother. Stop tell life on me, bro. I've never been in a room with you.
Jabass, can I play an
I've
audio?
never been within a room and still watch no two man and them no catches me.
Bro, me just find it funny
Me
because man know my life.
what?
Him man know life I tell.
Jabass, can I play an audio for you to listen?
Me what? Why would I stand up in a room and watch two man and them catches? What me I do that for? Me what?
You that interview with?
All right, hold on. Jabass, your name called, and I'd like to play an audio, a short recording, so you can hear what I have to say.
So people, like how Jabass name call say him can confirm say the youth when named Drae and King did in a room I do them thing pan a woman. And him say him no know nothing about that. Nothing no go so. Wanna feel like wanna go believe. Because him can do this still, you know, me not depend none of them side, you know, people. You know what I mean? Me just share the story with you know. But me I go say, me I go play devil's advocate and say Jabass, him can do there, yes, and see movements or whatever, but him no want get himself in the mix up. So that's why him a take out himself out of it. That a just me a play devil's advocate. You understand me I say? Or him can't did it as him say. Someone want to tell me what you think.
Something, brother. Me they have two friends. Me go tell about me they have two friends. One of them, we got go club, see? And the man that burn out the man that the most weird in the club, burn out the man the most weird in the go club. And I said 2 days after, a woman can video can show with him and he am in front.
Yeah,
See?
no.
And don't do that. Wait, you see me and Jay and him film woman, me and Jay and my woman in a one bedroom. Jay and him film woman and me and him my blood clot woman in a one blood clot bedroom.
Yeah,
So,
no
like
star.
say, you must see it.
What you say? Him and him film woman in a bedroom and me and him film me. Him and him film one. Jabass said did it.
All right, Jabass. This is your name. It is said that you were there, Jabass.
So at that people me no know who to believe, you know, who are the bare-faced liar. Because King talks straight up forward and him no itch, he's a stammer man and him no itch when him a say nothing. You know what I mean? So me I wonder if King could have tell such a bare-faced lie. You see me? And that's why me no know who to believe me people. Big woman thing. Someone want to tell me cause you know this look a weird. Jaja.
Jabass to the stand.
Nobody can say a 2 different bedroom because man.
I make me say, member say JTV just say a while ago say him can put him life on it. Say a lie King a tell. So people, the only thing when me see now, why him not have a big platform on TikTok and King have a fear enough platform on TikTok. So like how JTV come over Miss Blinger and him a explain and attack for him side of the story. Me feel like say Toy and King need to find themselves over Miss Blinger and tell for them side of the story. Don't make it be one-sided. You understand me?
I'm tell you this to people. Alright, if him say me there so it for me woman. If him say 2 different bedrooms, so what you do? You left around a few bedroom, come in a this a bedroom and come watch me for me woman. This word does not make no sense, dog. You man know say a lie tell and it even make no sense because you say me in a one room, then you go say 2 different bedrooms. So you do left around a few bedroom. Come around a few bedroom.
Somebody call King forever.
You're under permission to speak also?
Speak, my dear.
Okay, so madam, listen. The fact that they're mentioning about this eating, at no point did Drae mention anything of that sort.
Give me 1 second. Mr. Jabass. Mr. King Forever just said that you were there. Where were you and what were you doing? He's having some connection issues, guys.
Wait, you see me and Jay and him film woman, me and Jay and my woman in a one bedroom. Jay and him film woman and me and him my blood clot woman in a one blood clot bedroom.
So, all you must come on and say, you must see it.
What you say? Him and him film woman in a bedroom and me and him film me. Him and him film one. Jabass said did it.
Okay, I'm dangerous, bro. No, but so all I come go on, like, all I come bring me name cross, bro, like, say.
If me I say, so when me see man come on TikTok, I go expose, go talk about nyam pussy. Them man, they fit go brother and tap that, brother. Them man, they biggest ball cat, brother.
Ja no style.
Jabass, guys,
Ja no
King
style.
Forever, guys, I think we are at somewhere. King Forever said that him and Drae TV, this gentleman that's here, Drae Empire that's here right now, was in the same room eating out their woman. And we can ask Jabass because Jabass been there. Guys, Jabass just come. Jabass just come and said him no know not what King a talk about because him never did it. So where is King? We would like for King to take the stand. Somebody tag him.
Linger.
Yes.
Linger. Me say me can put my life, me picking a life and everything when me have pan is a lie man I tell. God kill me as a lie man I tell, bro. Yes, I'm sure you think. I see if you come with one argument will make sense. Me that say yeah, a reality. But me if you fact know that no make sense. And everybody knows that the man they liar. And watch out, me you no deal how much years now. Now you're gonna say you run with you're there foreign now, nobody can do you nothing, so you can't talk. Bro, like, come on. Jabass, not Jabass.
Oh, so Jabass and you are friends.
Yeah. But I'm sure you think too. Blinger, I'm gonna tell you God Almighty truth. Remember King in a King baby mother, you know? A King baby mother in the charge. A King baby mother. You understand me I say? So make King baby mother would have come talk and say a reality. The charger. Come I show you a thing. What kind of man would have really making woman skin out this so? And Ray and me. For me woman skin out this so. Like what kind of man you would have be? Me no know.
Please to tag King because this serious.
Aye, this mix up people. This mix up bad.
Your Honor?
Yes.
All right. I just think that King is saying all of this to get back at my client. I don't know what the past issue was like or what happened, but that's his way of getting back to him. So whatever issue King and my client had back in the past is happening now. Right? Because I don't see why there would be an argument between my client and Twy and King is taking it up like that's so like unnecessary. I really can't get the point here. But the thing is that, like I said, he is using whatever issue they had in the past to get back at him now. I don't know what it is.
Objection.
The issue was alright. The issue that they had was back then. I don't know. So let it stay there. None of them chose to bring it up, so it should have just stayed there. He should have just listened and leave it alone.
I'm sure it's no. You see the argument wasn't about who eat in front and this and that. And end the idea. If me know who don't want to get up and eat front and my business that. But the fact is, what he must say, a lie. 100% lie. You understand?
And Your Honor, to add to that, at no point did Drae come out and said he's against it or he's a part of oral sex. At no point did he mention any of that. At no point he came out and acting like a hypocrite or even acting like it is something that he takes part in. He was just only mentioning that as a friend, you wanted to eat my woman. At no point did he mention that he was against persons that do that or is also involved in things like that. At no point did he mention that. So okay, why is this topic coming up?
We have some jurors here who'd like to question you guys.
I'm next thing what King do this morning. You see this morning me this King for my life, you know, but I'm sure what I do this morning after me diss him. I'm sure how him a hypocrite. You know, after this morning when me diss him and say, yo, move from your sucker, you actually 15 years old Ghana foreign and you know own no Jamaica regardless how much million you make off of YouTube. And me diss him. You know say man go on in live and him man play a victim like and me come out and call in him and diss him. First remember say me never say nothing about this brother, you know. The argument never had nothing to do with him. So how am I play a victim like and me come out and say something about him? When me come out and say about you? Me never call him a name, none at all. And you come out and I say Drae this and Drae this and Drae that. Because guess what now? You're done. Because what you know now? You are talking about who this and who and name this and who and name that. And if you fact, you know a lie. You know a lie you are telling that. So. You understand which one?
hold on. You cleared up the name. You said it was Jabass, not Trabas. Okay,
Yes.
so you and Jabass are friends, right?
Alright, me and Jabass and King, you wall away. We wall away that friend. We wall away a friend. You understand me?
Okay, so you and Jabass and King have never gone out where there's rooms for none all of Uno. You know what something is not adding up because Jabass is a man that sit with his woman. Why would Jabass sit and watch you guys eating vagina? Like it's not
Exactly.
making sense.
And that really oppose me still in people. Cause me I say, if I did like is a girl where maybe King Forever meet and JTV meet the friend, would I understand how the two of them end up in a one room with two women. You know what I mean? Cause them a chat to two friend or whatever. But me can't understand how King would have did it with Shay and then JTV with him woman. Remember say Shay a King personal woman, you know. So me can't understand how them would have did it together. That me a pray. That a puzzle me. You understand? Say him and him woman him right out woman in a bedroom with JTV. What kind of bond them have or what kind of relationship them have? What's up? Make the two of them in a one room and plus fear eat the woman them at that. Me can't see them in there and I strap them up, but fear, you know what I mean? What kind of friendship them have so where them would have do that openly in front of each other. So it kind of have me away still. Although me not depend on nobody's side cause me not know who to believe. You see it?
But the man I say, alright, look at the man say, me and him in I said room. So me I said to him, you know, are the woman and asking woman, yo bro, are the woman and make woman be 100% honest and say, yes, it's true.
Yeah, add Shay and make Shay talk for real. Because that don't make
We
no sense. Because
Him
even if
know
something
that.
like that did happen, why would you come on the internet to tell somebody that that happened? Like,
It's not
as a big
only that.
man.
Why would Jabass be in a room with two men doing stuff? That means
hold
it's a
on,
bag
Exactly.
of
With your
freaking
woman where
hold
you
on,
do it for how much years.
guys.
It don't make no sense.
And we can't even say add shape because remember they're going to team up against my client
No,
Well,
no,
yeah,
no.
because
This
she
and
not
just
so
in.
exactly.
sensible either. So
That's
This
what
that's
it
the
just
is.
next
in.
thing.
This just in. Drae, is it true that King and Shay stayed at your house before?
Yeah, alright, look at now. King and share them. I make me tell some make your king and share them a man people come live, you know. You see King and share them, me and King and share them not tanning and no said part of house. Cause when King and share them come a man people. We know.
Yes, hold on, Drae. Yes, Jabass, because Jabass internet a give problem. Let we hear what he has to say so he can go. Go ahead, Jabass. This guy internet is giving problems. So as we catch him, we have to try and hear what he have to say. Yes, yes. Oh God, internet a give problem. Back to Drae.
Yeah, alright. You see, remember me and my mother one big house, but my part different from which part my mother live. You understand me? You understand me? I say
Yes.
me
Guys, too money
different
gone.
different entry, everything. And so when them come a man, me make them stay over my mother.
Oh,
Them not
okay,
stay over
okay.
my house, them stay over my mother. Because oh, you have to stay over my house, we are one room and this and that and that. Them not stay over my yard, them stay over my mother.
Okay,
But you
understood.
make
So,
them come.
Me a king never ever fuck one woman in I said room yet. Never.
okay.
This,
Wait
you
there.
know what I wanted to understand, Miss
No,
Bling? This is definitely a plot
no.
and a plot with a lot of information that is incorrect. How
No, you
can you
can't
have
put them on you.
two
Come
couples
on.
in a room and Jabass would have been the one that would do? Is Jabass the video man? That's what I would want to
Just go for the
understand.
car.
Yeah, all you
So
get
it
for
was
you
a
say
talk
ask
porn that was
Jabass.
being
That
filmed.
oh
Was it
Jabass
an
get that
event that was
man out.
supposed to be recorded? Was it that you have 5 person having sex together? Other than what is happening?
Whoa.
Your
That
boy, what do you
man.
have to
Put it
say?
on speaker.
It's
Alright, see
crazy.
Jabass you call me. Tap in see Jabass call me.
Okay.
Talk dog.
Miss Blinger.
Yes.
Miss Blinger.
Yes, yes, stop.
Jay, am I hear me?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Who come on call me name and about room argument, Jay?
No king say you did it.
Then which part? Which part?
Say me and him film woman in a one room right front and you did it.
Me tell about watch Unani and pussy.
That thing say. You did it.
Me a waste man.
No, but
Yeah, this look zesty to me too.
And me and King in a one room with me woman and film woman.
Brother, I have never seen that, and I don't know nothing we can talk about. I'm just texting my while ago to brother ask him, so what can I happen? Don't call me not tell a lie for me, youth. I'm in a busy over bling a life and believe me, I know I believe me, brother. Don't want to not call up me name, brother, and mix up and no passa, bro. Who along with a friend, brother, I feel fucking good, brother. Who wrong, take the wrong and stop try justify the wrong. Who wrong? Who go look your woman, brother, wrong. So he top justify himself, brother. I know
Exactly.
who want bex to the bex, brother, but he hope a mix up and baga, brother. No go with it, brother. On a man you out, you all on that man you support, brother. So if a man look your woman, brother, in that be justify it. No man if you pick the side and come in no man argument, brother. You just cut off and do the fuck, bro. A new year, brother. You know, can unite and live good, brother. Be argument, make people haul down and bring them down by the internet, brother, and know that the internet are going to do you. A man look at woman, brother, you catch him, you find out, brother. Either you cut him out, brother, you're running with your gun with your business, bro. And that's the truth, brother. So some man now be justify what him do. Because what him do, fuck up and wrong. The guy, my friend, ain't going to look at your woman. So that is totally wrong.
Facts. Dog, just big up yourself here, bro. You see reality to life, Miss Blinger, eh?
Yeah.
Me know, and me go be 100% real with myself. As me tell you, you all we did a nigga, you understand me? And it's a dog, he lie when telling no make no sense. It make no sense that he tell a lie there. And then you put man name in there, say this a man that did it. When you know a lie, you tell that, just be real. If a man say something, we go sub Blinger.
Hello, can I speak, please? Can I ask Drae one question? Drae, why did you have to bring to the internet whatever Twice said to your woman?
You know why? And the first time he do a thing like that to one of my friend them woman. And me have proof say the first time he do it. And me look for him and you know so when me text him and he find out say yo and me. You know so up to now man say dog, the dog not say yo dog, you know say a fuckery go and do a ray. Man just
so you're understanding now why people is taking side and like stating stuff that did not happen because you bring it to the internet.
No, me not keep your bum buckler secret cause here what happen now. If you do what you do, you're supposed to feel proud. Yeah, I'm sure why my company life can't talk, Miss Bling. I'm sure why man do it corrupt. And who did it for me life with night can talk. You know, say man come for me life and comment say yo, swing Erica for me now. Before I'm going on my woman inbox. Tell me if I'm not this year.
Yeah, no, dog. Hard.
What you mean?
I really dog hard.
When Erica there and him ask you for swing her upon you, he wants to fuck up with her?
I'm sure you think that. Just when someone do certain things, they pretend like say they hype.
But hold on there. People, this have me a think back on something where Rosalie say, no, say, what JTV told Twy, for Twy feel comfortable for and look him woman. You see me I say? Me kind of pre that to Rosalie I say still, you know. What did JTV told Twy for Twy feel comfortable? I look him woman. You see me? Me just say people. Remember, me not on nobody's side. You see me I say? Because me don't know who tell the truth or who tell the lie.
Nigga with their own them, I saw them behave. So when he can't do that now, it's like a me.
Listen, if Drae never bring this to the internet, it would have still be going around in a Mandeville. He would have walk and a hype and tell the world how him there with the man woman. So it is what it is. He had in early matter here. Them do internet. If he want put it out, he put it out. But that's not the issue.
Because all of them different
is why thing come up and a lie.
And,
the next
and
thing
to
why I think Drae bring it on the internet. Remember the lady asked him if him and Drae are friend and he said no, and that is your friend. So why you tell the lady say you and him and a friend?
Hold on. A Drae tell the girl for asking that.
Yes, but a good thing a good thing he tell him for ask him because he blatantly said
But Drae no wrong
and I'm friends.
because with Twy this time around, please. Give me a chance. We have a question for you, Drae.
Yes.
You, on the other hand, I defend you come out because you make pass at your friend, girlfriend before, right? Now, if you had known that, it's like your friend argument you defend. To me, it's not like you're coming out because you want to come out. You're not confront the man. You pick up through hearsay, and I don't think that was right.
I can tell you something.
Yeah.
Me thought this brawling and more than one somebody me know and do it too. And look here now. Me play voice note with the next somebody when do it too. Him call up a man name to a woman. And that at that. You see,
But look
end of
here,
the day,
Dre,
some man
hold
need.
on.
Look here, I'm
But them
talking some.
handle it different, Dre.
Look, yeah,
Them
me say,
handle it different, but because you know, all right then. It's like somebody accused me of stealing. I never steal from you. But the one time you see me make a move, you accuse me, you come out and beat me for everybody where you claim some teeth from.
but yeah,
That's
this
all
is
No,
right.
but
idiot.
it happened to him. Him
No,
have
But
but
yeah, this
proof
is
but
for
idiot.
that.
but Dre mentioned, listen, Dre mentioned
I
that
don't
he
understand
started
that
this
one I really
on
have get at.
his live. You're not listening to what Dre said. Dre said that he started this from in the comment section.
This
Yeah,
just
him
this
dry
just
You
eye.
understand? So if you
okay,
try to
guys.
I don't
bring it
blame
to the
Jay from don't
internet,
keep it no secret.
Guys,
Yeah, but
let
if
me
exactly.
me
just
eat
Expose
and
him.
drink
one
with you
at
as
a
what
If you
Jay
time.
started
say,
on the
me I go
internet.
to you in
Yeah,
private and
Jay,
ask you
expose
first.
him
If you
thing to
constantly do it,
Otada.
then I'm gonna
One
take it
at
to
a
the
That's
time.
what
internet.
he was
Guys,
doing. That's what he's trying
Go
to tell
back,
you.
man.
Something that he has been doing constantly in his comments on his
one
live.
at a
So if
time,
you bring it
guys.
to the internet, it's going to be resolved on the internet. You bring it.
Boy, people, one thing me have to say, don't leave your girl around twice. Twice a sniper. That's all me have to say, yo. Don't leave your girl around twice. Twice a sniper. I'm on a level still, you know, people. You know what I mean? Me not think a man should have really left him woman careless around a next friend because you don't know what in that the friend the intention. You see me? You don't know what in that the woman them mind. The woman can pre your friend too. You see me? Cause a man we meet a girl today, you know, and I chat to him or something, you know, and feel like say the woman rate him when the woman rate off one of him friend. I want one of him friend. You see me? Just like the case we do it or Momo. Remember, you know, Momo meet our new man through do it, you know. Momo new man I do it friend, you know. I remember Momo and Dewey come on the internet and did a pal off together. You see me I say? Like them in a relationship. And now Momo come say she and Dewey never ever go to bed. Never. A him friend she see and love of him friend. And say, yo, who is your friend? And him she a deal with. I remember when Momo come to Jamaica what day, yeah. Momo they all both with Dewey and them something there. The big interview. You see me? And say, them do big interview with the youth name Negos Irama when do it Canada I think. Momo do an interview when do it Canada and bust the secret say she a date do it now. You know what I mean? So you see how you look you know. So you can't too confident in a woman or confident in a your friend yeah, man. Life is just a lesson. You learn as you go yeah, man. That me say.
One
Do
at a
not
time.
inbox Dre and
Him
ask
bring it
Dre
to
for his
court and I
name.
best decision. Bring it to court.
Bring what
He
to
never
court?
inboxed Dre and asked Dre for permission to date his girl. He mentioned it on
Well,
his
the whole of them are
live.
mix up. Me not believe none of them. None of them. Cause why King can't come over and come talk say eat
I
pussy?
may I say
Yeah,
Me
but
could
King
me
listen
always
from the
want
mouth
attack,
of
King a
Cassie.
liar. Why
me
would you?
want Kings to come
Yeah,
up
but
and
why would
talk
you
to
believe
you.
said Dre and the woman in a inbox?
King
Show me
needs
the message then, no?
May
Please.
I hear what that lady tell you?
Guys, listen. This is a courtroom. And this is has to be order in here. Everybody on the live, please to follow this page that is on the big screen. Queen of TikTok 3.0. We will be ranking on that page
Miss
later
Linga,
to
Miss
top
Linga.
20. Yeah.
You see some man idiot. And King them a big waste man for him though because here what go on now. If you left go on a foreign you're supposed to try better your life than you're involved in a mix up. Because this argument yeah, it don't concern you none at all. And the argument wasn't about who eat front and who don't eat front.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me just advertise something. Guys,
I'm more. King is an outspoken person. This is not the first time King talks him he eat pussy.
well, we
Yeah
don't see
man.
anything
King
wrong with
same
eating pussy.
him
I
deal
endorse
with the cat.
pussy eating. The problem
Is it?
is
Right.
King said that him and Drae was in the same room eating out to them woman. And we can
Honestly,
Jabass.
I don't.
Jabass said,
I'm not believing the story. I'm not believing it happened because JTV he would have admit say them must go on a little ends before him
but
no know.
right now Drae said his lie and Jabass came and said no gossip. And it
Me
fell
believe
down.
it lie.
King have to come
You think
defend
I lie?
himself now.
We know now that there is no truth to this that Jabass said. No,
Alright.
not Jabass, that King said.
Miss Blinger,
Yes.
you have your baby mother we have three picking with, yeah? You have your baby mother we have three picking with. And your baby mother go and did us a skin out.
True,
Did
embarrassing.
a skin out.
So people, I eat that for the thing. I want to tell me what I think because me no know who to believe ya so. Because if me believe King side of the story, you know what I mean? King say him dead with JTV in the same room with him baby mother, I do them thing. And me can't really process that. Because unless Sashay I want kill this girl. That's all me I go say. You know what I mean? Because remember, you know, your personal woman that, you know, and like say a woman where you meet, as me said before. And I like say is a woman where you meet, like say you meet the friend and Dre deal with the friend or the sister or the cousin or whatever, and the two wanna get for knock them and knock them in at the same room. And I like say wanna get two girl and a three a uno, so one man a knock and the next man in at the room and wait for get him turn for knock. Why Jabass woulda in at the room so Jabass coulda attest and say yes, I saw it go for true. You know what I mean? It kinda mix up unless there's something where them not talk. Maybe Jabass did in the room with a woman and that was not his personal woman, him baby mother. So that's why him now want come out and say yes, him did it, because if him come out and say him did it, it a go cause problem in him house. So I just that side of me I think, me people. So me can't believe what Jabass a say and me can't believe what King a say. Me no know who to believe, but King and Toy, me no know if them want go up and bling alive, but me feel like say them fi go up on it and explain for them side if them want kind of clear them name, because right now whole social media have the two of them as the wrongdoer. You know what I mean? And if him did a look him friend woman, boy, me no know why him would do that. But that just a lead me to thinking about where Rosalie did I say about what JTV tell Twy make Twy feel like say boy him coulda look him woman whatever. So between them as friends, but uno we watch it, uno make me know what I think because me no know which side to believe people. So alright, just so me I go end the video.